Hey everybody, it's Karina from Paradigm Thrifts. If you are new here, welcome. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. This is going to be a Thredup Shoe Rescue unboxing. Thredup offers rescue pieces or like rescue boxes where they pretty much throw in things that they can't sell on their platform. But I've seen some people find some really great things. This shoe box I've purchased in the past and it wasn't that great, but I wanted to try it again. So I'm hoping that this is better than the last time that I purchased it. I paid $100, free shipping, and I believe you get 15 pairs of shoes. So I haven't even opened it, I haven't looked in it at all. I wanted to do it for you guys on camera. So let's get into it. This is the box. It's pretty big, but haven't even opened it. I have my scissors here. Let's see what's inside. Okay. What are you? Oh, okay, first pair. I have seen these at my Goodwill before, but they are just a no-brand little sneaker, and they have like, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but it's just like random lettering. This is actually the brand right there, if you can see that. So I think it's like a, I don't know, maybe like a AliExpress kind of shoe. Definitely not that great. These are, I guess, not that bad. These are like brand new. Some of the things I don't understand, like why they couldn't sell them on their website. Like these are brand new Dolce Vita, and I'm pretty sure this is like the higher end. I could be wrong. Actually, I'm kind of confused. So these are Dolce Vita, but it looks like that's supposed to be like the DV by Dolce Vita. I don't know. I could be wrong. But these look like they're brand spanking new. And yeah, I would sell these. I wouldn't pick them up like from the thrift store, but I'll sell them. They're a size, I don't even know, 11, I think. These are, they feel weird. I feel like these are the Target, like the Target Dolce Vita. I could be wrong. Okay, so that's 2 pairs so far. Okay, these are not bad, I guess. These are Kenneth Cole. You can kind of see them on the bottom there. And they're just sneakers. I mean, they're pretty worn, but I think I can make like, I don't know. I've never sold this brand, so I'm not even going to try to say comps. Okay, ooh, I see something that kind of makes me happy, hopeful. It's a pair of Birkenstocks. They are pretty worn, pretty beat up, and they're like a white color, and they're pretty dirty, but I mean, I can definitely sell these. I can clean them up a little bit and sell them. So happy with those. Let's see. These don't look fun. I have no idea. These are Naturalizer little sandals. These are gonna get redonated. There is a pair of boots here, and the brand is Naughty Monkey. I've never seen this brand before. I've never heard of it, but they're a little pair of slouch boots. Let me see if they can say. So they are leather on the outside, but I'll have to look these up. I don't think they're worth much, but they're real leather. Okay, here's another pair of shoes I don't truly care for. These are Charles by Charles David. And these are sometimes sold at like Nordstrom, but I mean, these are ugly. Let's just be honest, these are ugly. I'll probably donate those. Okay. Oh, these are fun. Okay, this is a good one. Next pair are these little suede loafers, and they are from Bowden. And they're actually in pretty good condition. There's like a little bit of wear on the side, but I think that's okay. Yeah, happy with these. So there's, so far out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So far out of 8 pairs, I'm happy with 3 of them. The rest are going to get redonated. Okay, these are nothing exciting. The brand is Report. and they are boots. I'll donate these. Here's another pair of Dolce Vitas. They're just these little espadrilles. Again, I think this might be the Target line, so not worth much, but they're cute and I think they might sell. These are a pair of sandals from BCBG Maxazria. Might have said that wrong, but they're kind of nasty. So, I don't know. Here is a pair from Arturo Chang. I've never heard of this brand, but they're just these embellished sandals. They look kind of cheap. So, actually, I don't know. This might be leather. I don't know. I have to look it up. I'm sad. I was hoping for like a home run or something with this box. Okay, next are these New York and Company sandals. I mean, these aren't, no, they're not, no, they're not in good, they're just cheap. And they're like coming apart right there. This is what I get for thinking that this was a good idea. Will I make my money back on the Birkenstocks and Bowdens and 2 pairs of Dolce Vitas? Will I make $100? That will be the challenge. There's still 2 more pairs left. There are these Minnetonka little sandals. I think these are like comfort sandals. No. And last but not least, I mean, these aren't bad, but I don't want to sell them. These are Enzo Angioli. Did I say that right? Angiolini black boots, and it's definitely not boot season. And I have so many pairs of boots already. So these will either be taken to like Plato's Closet or, yeah, we'll see. So that was it. Not exciting. The only 2 things I really liked were these Bowden shoes and these Birkenstocks. So we'll see how those do. We'll see if I can make $100 back with that, but I highly doubt it. So if you guys have purchased this box before, let me know. Let me know your experience. Let me know if you guys found anything good so I can just live vicariously through you instead of purchasing it on my own and thinking that it's a good idea. Because apparently it's not. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye!